Hello, I am Piotr, the author of Buboflash, and I will show you how to solve the problem that was reported by Frederick here. So the problem is that if you crop an image out of a PDF page and then you use this image from PDF page in an annotation, the annotation will not be shown in search result for the PDF. It should. First I'll show you a workaround, and second I'll show you how I will fix it in the next version of the PDF engine in Buboflash. But now let's focus on the workaround, because that version with a proper fix is not released yet. So let's say we want to have an image from this page. This is the regular view that you use to annotate text. You see, like you can select text and create annotation. So let's first switch to an image view. And let's say we want this. So a new image. And now we want a new annotation with this image. This annotation will not show up in PDF search result. So let's get back. You see here at the very bottom, both the image itself and annotation are visible. But if I go to search, so from here to annotations, what's that? Same thing. So if I go here to annotations, it automatically opens with the filter for this PDF, and I search for something that I created today. Not this, sorry. Created today, and yeah, there are no results. But, which is wrong, of course. But if I create another annotation on something else on this page, for example on this text, annotation, and now click search again, this annotation is visible because this part works basically. So what we need to do is to create any annotation with any text we want on the page and include the image in it. Then it will be visible. I'll show you. So here is another minor bug. I can edit the text. So first let's copy the ID of the image here, and the ID is this. I hit Ctrl+C, or like copy. Then let's go to the one that we just created, and here I can edit this in this view. This annotation is visible in search result, but I said we should paste the image ID here. If I try to hit Ctrl+V here, I get this problem. So let's save it and let's open it in a new tab. Sorry for that, another thing to fix. And here I can paste the image like this. I can link it. So yeah, that's just the image, and the annotation is that was created separately. So if we save it now, you see I hit refresh to see the search result. The same annotation with the same text now has the image because we added it. So that's sort of workaround. Okay, I had to make a cut here because I managed to confuse myself, but here we are back. Okay, so I showed you that the way to have images in annotations that are visible in search results for PDFs is to create a text annotation and include the image in them. I know it's a workaround. You can do the same with flashcards. So you see, if you create an if you create a child flashcard here, this flashcard will automatically have this image included. So let's say we create an occlusion, because why not? The reason for this flashcard is only to have this image. And now let's edit it. This image is in question and answer position, so let's control exit, unlink it, and let's have it here in answer and in question. Let's link this, unlink this. So answer is alright because we want everything visible. And for the question, let's make an image occlusion. So we need to clone and edit it. Let's pick green, because why not? In brighter green. Okay, and instead of this rectangle, let's put an ellipse. You know, like this. You see, even if you save it, you can still modify those occlusions later, because they are vectors at top of the actual image. Okay, so let's save it. We are back, and now we have two images. We can save it. The question looks like this. We can edit it out, really, because yeah, it doesn't make sense like this. But the question image is here, and the answer is the original image. Now we have two images. So if I go to image search and see what I created here, images, what I created today, yeah, like this. I can see both images. Yeah, fine. And importantly, if I search for flashcards, well, they will be here, you know that, but created today, they will also be in the search for flashcards in a PDF. So yeah, if I go here, it's here. Yeah, created today. Only one. But importantly, I can search for them in a flashcard. Search for them in a PDF. Question and answers. Yeah, that was this one. Yeah, see, you see it here, and it's the same search that is available here. So just to focus, this is the PDF browser. So you start your search here, you automatically have this filter that I set up before manually. And if I create without any condition, let's create okay. Let's just edit it by myself any, and let's sort by timeline. So newest first, that one will be first. Yeah, you see it's here. So it works. It's not super convenient, but it works. You didn't have to go through the annotation and annotation with the image and then go to the flashcard. You can go directly here. Now we are in the text mode. You can create a flashcard directly here. So selection to flashcard question field, let's say. No, that's not what I meant. I meant this. Yeah. Field and question. So question is this. There are responsibilities that the text we selected, including the right to their own opinions. Okay, while we can edit the text here because it didn't copy it properly from the PDF, I showed you already that pasting an image here doesn't work. So let's close it. I mean save it basically. Let's open it. And now we can edit it here. We can include this image, question image. We need to find it, or just copy its ID directly from here, because now I have way too many. See, it's here. I like from here because it's the biggest one, or easiest to hit with the mouse. So where are we? We have way too many tabs. Link image. Link image. I don't know why I link first where I really want to do this. And overlay. Let's do classic. It's a different part of the text, I can't find it. Okay, so let's say that we want to hide those instead. We don't have that text that I selected for the actual flashcard. Yes, so if I save changes now and get back here, I refreshed it, I hit Ctrl R. I see that this image is different to the answer image. We can save it, and importantly, if we go to search for flashcards somewhere, one of these tabs, these are annotations, so flashcards, let's close some of those. Search for images. Oh, I'll show you, I refreshed it, I'll show you the one with red occlusions is here. The image, let's close it, Ctrl W. And what is this? This is the search for flashcards, yes, newest first, so the one with red is the first. Yes, it's here, working nicely, and it is here, searchable in the PDF. Okay, this was way longer than I thought, and I forgot how to use screencasting program. Buboflash user interface is long overdue for a complete overhaul, and this is what I've been doing. So look, if I go now here, I refresh it. This is not released yet. You see localhost. This is on my computer. So it looks a lot modern, doesn't it? It is scrollable. We can see text annotations. Here you can scroll to them. They are below the page, so let's scroll to this. Yeah, you see, if you have it on full screen, it would highlight the relevant annotation. You can see the image annotation, which worked in the old UI anyway, as you saw already. And you saw annotation from this image. I don't see the flashcards from image yet. That's why I'm not releasing it yet. I'm still working on it. So yeah, you can do text annotations like here. You see, you have a pop-up here, or image annotation in exactly image annotation. Oh, yeah, it didn't work. But the plan is to have everything in one view without switching, and it should also be more convenient on touch screen because you have like a scroll lock. So now you see you don't see, but the scroll bar disappears. You cannot scroll, so you can select with your finger if it was on a tablet. And it adjusts itself. If you do something like this, you have more thumbnails, and yeah, you can scroll. It is lazily loading pages. You can select them like this. It will populate them. You can click here. You can go, like in the previous version, to the annotated page. Like here, it immediately shows the annotations. Yeah, like this. So stay tuned. I am very keen on improving the whole user experience. So thanks for watching, and as usual, if you have any problems, ask away. Thank you. Bye.